In this video, we're going to talk about a Mixolydian chord progression. What does that mean? Let's check out the chords first, and I'll explain it a bit. So I'm starting in the key of E, and I'm going to start with an E major chord. Then I'm going to play a D major chord, then an A major chord, and then an E major chord again. Now, this one is a Mixolydian chord progression because of the way that the chords are formed. So essentially, our E major is going to be the 1. Our D major is going to be the flat 7. Still a major chord, which is different than what it would be if we had an E major key, right? So this is like another scale entirely, which means the 1, 2, 3, and all those Roman numerals change again. They don't change majorly, and we're not going to go too deep into that. You probably understand the logic now, but I'm just quickly telling you that this is going to be 1, flat 7. Now this is going to be 4, and then this is going to be 1 again. So chords 1 and 4 are pretty much the same as a major key. So you could have easily thought about it like this. But when the D chord comes in, it's obvious that it's no longer just a major key. So this one is a very hard rock blues chord progression. Lots of songs have been written in that. I mean, the first one that comes to mind is the chorus from All Right Now by Free. Like, it's not in the key of E, it's in the key of A, but still that's what it would sound like if it was an E. And another really well-known example, the original is in C sharp. We'll still play in E just to keep the open chord change. And of course, you can always use the capo, like I've said before. So Sweet Child of Mine, the intro and the verse go like this. Yeah, and then even AC/DC songs like Back in Black, you know, again, same thing, just goes with the same circle, just shorter durations of the chords. Also Fortunate Son by Creedence Clearwater Revival, right? Different keys again. I mean, this last one would be in G, but actually Back in Black is in the key of E, so it would be the same. It's not with, I mean, if you play the original riff, they wouldn't be playing the major chords, they would be playing the power chords, but still the same harmony is implied. Okay, so enough about this. Whenever you get around this is going to be a Mixolydian chord progression, like a hard rock blues type of color to it. That's how I think of it, at least. So why don't we go practice a little chord progression, like an example, to get more used to it and, you know, listen to it better. So here's our example for this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keeping it simple, just repeated it twice to, you know, to groove it a little better. Get to enjoy it a bit more. So what's happening? Easy strokes, but I'm just starting from from beats 4 ends, just to make it a bit more rocky. A lot of the times this happens in rock, the riff starting on the offbeat. So let's do, first bar goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Same with the second bar. Again, on 4 ends, I'm going to skip. I'm going to go to the D chord and do the same thing. Up, down, up, down, up. Going again into beats 4 ends for the A, same rhythm. Up, down, up, down, up. Repeating the very same for the E one more time. Whole thing slow. It's pretty easy, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's do it up to speed once more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very cool, isn't it? Plus, this is more interesting because it starts with an upstroke as well. Bear in mind, not all chord progressions have to start with a downstroke. It's a different feel, isn't it? Sort of prepares it for the dynamic to come up next. So practice that. Good luck, enjoy, and I'll see you very soon.